Today we're doing raw spring rolls, Vietnamese style. We're bringing Asia at ya. So now we're going to take a piece of rice paper. We've gotten these at our local Asia market, and sometimes your grocery store will have an international section. You can find them, very popular. It's a ratio raw dish. So for our filling, we've taken one small cabbage and we've just thinly cut it. We've put it into our bowl, and we've taken 1 teaspoon of salt, sprinkled it over there, and just take your hands and massage it with love. Okay, so massage it, and you're going to get this really nice fine cooked feel. If you have a salt intolerance, you can rinse it so that it's less sodium in your dish. And then we're going to take 1 carrot, and we've julienned it. Just going to add this to our mix. This is 1/4 of a bell pepper, sweet bell pepper, and 2 green onions. And we're just going to mix. I love all these colors. This is really making me feel like I'm eating from the rainbow, and it's just very beautiful. It's the aesthetics of your food. Okay. Now our sauce, we're going to make from scratch a dipping sauce. And here we have 1/2 cup of our homemade apricot jam, and we've made this on a previous episode for you. And I'm just going to add that in. Two tablespoons of our homemade date paste, which we've also done on a previous episode. Okay. And then we have 1/4 cup of agave and 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And just adding those in. And I'm just going to lightly whisk them by hand. The apple cider vinegar, I like to buy it organic. Bragg's has a really nice brand, and I buy it with the word mother. Mother meaning it has the probiotics in it, and it's very, very beneficial for your health. Okay, it's a very simple, sweet sauce. It's very, very easy. So our rice paper, it's equally as fast and wonderful. So we just take it and dip it into hot water for just a few seconds, literally only 15, and it's gonna come out. This is really fun to work with. If you have children, I think it would be a fun little thing to do with them. So it's very, very fast. Just add a spoonful of our mixture for the filling. I'm going to add a little bit more. And you're just going to fold it sides first and roll. So simple. Okay. And I'm going to simply slice it on the diagonal. Alright. These really make me happy. just going to take it and serve it with a little bit of our dipping sauce. And for fun, I have a cute little fishy bowl. There we go. Raw spring rolls. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Leave any comments you'd like. And raw food, it's the new cool.